Welcome to One Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have toluene and phenol. Ortho and meta position you have nitro groups. You are reacting with same reagent, sodium sulfide and water. You should find what will be the final product. The reaction involved regioselective reduction, meaning selectively one functional group will be reduced. The only difference between the A and B reaction is methyl and alcoholic group. Methyl group reaction is sterically controlled, so only meta product got reduced. On the contrary, B controlled by anchoring of OH, so ortho-nitro group is reduced to amine. So two different mechanism, two different product. The concept you have to learn here is you have to master the mechanism to predict the regioselective pathway. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion or feedback, comment below.